Hey everybody, it's Mark again. We're still working on this Faller and Sohne, what I call a novelty cuckoo clock. I forgot to mention something in the last video. The barrel, the music drum, would turn around and it would stop in the exact same spot within about 10 teeth of where it's supposed to stop, and I got to looking and there were a couple of bent teeth. So what I did, I took a screwdriver and I put it in the slot and I adjusted the teeth to where I thought they needed to go, and now the barrel drum does just fine. I wanted to clean up the glass. A good friend of mine, Sean Barnes, told me about this sprayway glass cleaner. It works great. I use it on my TV. I use it on all my glass. It's a ammonia-free, streak-free shine, and so you just spray it on and then wipe it off. And you might have to do this a couple of times, depending on how bad your glass is. You can purchase that at Menards. I don't know if you could purchase it at Walmart or not, but I bought mine at Menards. And I want to say it's like $5 a can. I'm holding the glass up against my chest to clean it. And so there we have it. I'll go ahead and slide that into place where it needs to be. There's a piece that I just put in my ashtray. I believe it belongs right here. So I have to get out my super glue and glue this slither of wood into place. I use super glue a lot to repair my wood problems because it works fast, depending on the make and model of super glue, of course. And next thing we need to do is the hands. I looked in my spare hand list and I found a hand that somewhat matches. It's a little older than this hand, but it's not the right size. It won't fit down on the hour arbor. So what you do is you take a file and you put it into the hole, test it, and then if it don't work, file it some more. Testing often or you're going to have to get another hand to start all over. Those numbers have been on there a while, and they're slowly coming off. I already glued one number down. Now I got to glue another number down. Okay, I got my hand where I need it, and the number just fell on me, so I need to find it. So stand by. So I got the well, I thought I had gluing the number down. I got the hour hand on, I put the minute hand on, I put the washer on, and now I need to put the nut on. Wow, I have another number that came off. I put some Old English oil on this dial, and I think maybe there's something in the Old English oil that is causing my numbers to come off. All the other numbers seem to be stuck on right. And so now it's time to put a weight on it and hang it on the wall and test it out. So let me do that, and maybe you could see what I'm doing. I had a pendulum, and I just had the pendulum, and now I don't see the pendulum. I got way too many projects going on, and that's one of the issues. Now I see the pendulum, it's on the clock. I need to get a different weight, because this weight doesn't have the right hook on it. And I know that this weight is not the right weight for this clock. I'm just going to put it on here just for the purpose of this video. and I'll put a different weight on later. Everything out of the way. I have to adjust this wire. It's not right. Anyway, I gotta adjust the pendulum leader wire because the pendulum is hitting the weight. One more time. It's really cool. It's got a table, a guitar, a plate, some pictures, flowers on in the windowsill, flowers on the table. It's really cool. Clock. Thank you, my friend. And again, I'm not going to mention his name for giving me this. I hope y'all like this video. Please leave me some comments. I'm going to have to research and find out when this clock was made. If I was to estimate, I would say between around 1960. Again, please leave me some comments. God bless. May God bless each and every one of you. And I hope your clocks stay running.